In this video, I will show you how to invert data in Excel. Firstly, type here invert, then type the number 1, 2, and press and hold Control till here. Now, select both. Now highlight this both, then click on Sort. So select Custom Sort. Now here select My Data has headers and sort by. So select Invert and Order. So select largest to smallest and click on OK. Now you can delete this column. So this is the way, guys, you can invert data in Excel. So thanks for watching, and guys, comment on this video useful for you or not.